Hello friends, today I want to show you how to remove the engine cover of McLaren 570 GT. It doesn't matter 2017, 18, 19, everything the same, but this car is different than 570S. 570S different design, and this car is different. Today I just want to show you how to remove the cover to installation the spoiler, or I don't know, whatever you like. I mean mechanic or repair or something like that. I mean, it's not very complicated, but just you have to be careful. First of all, you have to remove the shocks, one of the shocks, not two of them, for the hatch. Do you see that? This is the lock. Just you have to release the lock, and after that you have to pull backward and it's released. Very easy. And make sure you have something around the gap between the hatch and body. If not, maybe get crack of the glass or maybe make damage to the body. That's why I put the cover, I mean car cover in here. That's all. I mean, this is the best option. My recommendation for 2 persons is better than 1 person. And after that, with the stick plastic, you have to push here, okay, between the gap of the edge of this cover and car cover, and pull up. That's all. Easy, it's not difficult. But now, do you see? It's removed already. I'm gonna remove this. Unfortunately, no one explained about how to remove the cover. You have another lock in this way. Make sure. Okay, this is removed. But just remember, you have a clips here if you want to remove the LED light, I mean brake light, but it's up to you. I just try to just a little bit, you have to push. Easy. Okay, this is removed. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, to remove this, you have 4 screws, the main screws. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these two hold the exhaust cover, okay? But let's see what we can do. I'm gonna bring the tool. Okay, this is good. You have to remove the wire from here. 1, 2. That's all. This is released. Perfect. And then we have to remove all the screws around here. Let's do it. Maybe you want to ask me why I'm removing since I installed the spoiler. Because I didn't put the screws, just one screw is missing around here, and also this is not very safe because I put one screw here. I have to install another screw because this one have two screws. That's why, to make sure everything is safe, I'm gonna do that. Okay, this one you can't take off. Why? Because the hatch around there I cannot reach. Okay. 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 Okay, this is removed. Okay, now this bolt I have to pull out from underneath of the screws. Okay, let's see which one is match. Hopefully this is the same. All right. Unfortunately, this car doesn't have any support, any customer service. It's horrible, I mean. But beautiful car, fast car, more fun, but just if you get the problem, unfortunately, it's headache. Very headache car, I mean, expensive. Okay, right now all screws is off, but now is not released yet. Why? Because underneath of this cover you have two screws, here and here. Maybe you ask me how to remove that one. They're a little bit challenging, but just let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put the light because I can't see. The space is very tight, unfortunately. I'm gonna put the light around here. Okay, now I want to show you the screws. Okay, let's go deep. Do you see underneath of the spoiler you have two screws in the left and right side? Okay, I'm gonna pull it out, these two screws, and after that is easy to remove. Okay, it's not the same. I mean, 570S is very easy, just two screws here and easily you can remove. But about this car, no, it's not easy at all, especially when you install the spoiler. Oh, maybe I can show you around here. If you see that, you will see two screws. Okay. Okay. Just I remove the cover. This is the cover. Okay. I want to show you, this is the cover, 4 screws here, and let's see what this underneath. Okay, do you see that? 1 and 2 screws, okay, to the bar section. That's all. If you remove this one and 2 screws here, do you see that? 1, 2. These 2 screws is easy. I mean, it's not difficult. It just you have to remove that and 2 screw around here, and it's removed. I just cut the vent section, mash section. Why? Because I want to install the spoiler. Should be like this. Without this you cannot do anything. Okay, this is removed already, and this is the engine bay. Okay, and do you remember I removed these 2 screws? Everything is good to go. And this is the spoiler part. When you purchase the spoiler, comes with this. Okay, I put 2 screws down and 2 screws for chassis, and these 2 screws for a spoiler. Okay, but remember, you have to lock it. Okay, you have to, I don't know what the name of this, if you can see, let me show you. From back, okay, oh, do you see? I lock it both sides, and now everything is good. But just underneath of the spoiler you have 2, 3, 4 screw section. I only have 1. That's why I remove the spoiler and fix the problem. I hope you enjoy this video, and hopefully it's helpful for you. If you have any question, comment, you can let me know. Just please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.